Hi all, in this video let's learn about TypeScript's special types like any, unknown, never. What are they? What are the differences between each other? So let's get started. So the first one is any. The TypeScript's everyone's favorite type is any. So when you declare a variable and assign a type of any, what does it mean? You can assign any of the value to it, like 10, string here, number here. So you can assign any type of value to it. Literally, we are asking or we are turning off the type checking when you assign a type called any. Okay, you can use this any, like the best use case for the any. If you don't know what the type of value in the variable, okay, so when you have a dynamic values, if the value of the variable keeps on changing, so then that is the best use case for using the any. But it is highly not recommended to use any, because if a variable has null or undefined, and if you're trying to call a function like this, so then TypeScript will have no clue, it will not show any error to you. So this becomes like an runtime error for us. So it's not recommended to use any type. Okay, this is all about any. So coming to unknown, unknown is an alternate for any. So for example, if a variable you are giving a type of unknown, it means it is similar as any. You can assign any value to this variable. It can be number, string, anything. You can assign any value, but before you do any of the operation on this variable, TypeScript will enforce us to do a type check. For example, I can assign any value to this variable, okay? And now TypeScript, see, TypeScript is showing and it is enforcing us to do a type check. So now I will do a type check. Before doing any of the operation, I will need to do a type check. See, I'm trying to do a type check and I'm asking that whether it is a number, then do this check. So as soon as I do a type check on this variable, then the error was gone. So unknown is a very type safe. For example, if you have a dynamic values, sometimes it becomes hard for us to define the type. So before you're writing, so it becomes some hard to define the types. Okay, at that time, and if the values are dynamic, at that time you can go for the unknown type. And before you're doing any of the operation, like a TypeScript will really help us to enforce to do this type of type checks. In these cases, so here also it is showing, see, if it is unknown, it will ask us to check whether this method is there or not before calling. So this will really help us, like in terms of checking the type. So when you don't know any what is the type, and if you want to have the some type check, safe type check, then go with the unknown. Okay, and lastly, never. Never is an opposite to any. Any means assign me anything. Not never means assign me nothing. Okay, when you have a function like this, okay, and if you throw any error like this, okay, the execution will never come back to this point again. Okay, it means like you are not going to return anything. If you're not going to return anything, what should be the return type of this function? That is never. This is a best use case for the never type. Okay, and you should use never type when you are exhausted with all the possible type values. Then you need to go with the never type. Hope you understand the video and differences between any, unknown, and never. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.